we're going home now. I need to drive like 2-3 hours. I can't do that. The weather's nice, it's not really sunny, so it's not going to give me sunburn. As you can see, this is also going uphill, but biking is relaxed. It is like biking in a flat ground. Wow, I stopped here because the view is beautiful. Yeah, basically coming from up there, it's a little dangerous to bike going down. And most of the houses are like traditional old houses, and the colors of those trees, because it is winter, it's coming like that. Yeah, they said that this pool is smarter than you think. There's a free Wi-Fi, monitoring traffic flow to make improvements, energy efficient lighting, measuring air quality, temperature, dust and humidity. Nice! This is another kind of electric bike, which is pedelec. Once you pedal, the electric will help to move the bike. It helps to accelerate the bike, so it's easy to pedal. We're going to catch the ferry there that is going to the other side, and then I will be biking all the way to Nelson Bay. Yeah, by catching the ferry, I don't need to go to the way of the buses. Now here, the name of this place is Stockton. We're now going to find a restaurant, a place to eat. I'm very hungry. And we are now having a breakfast here. This is like a panzerotti. Yeah, spinach and ricotta cheese. This is always a good combination with tomato sauce, rocket leaves, and I have a cappuccino here. Yeah, spinach and ricotta is always a good combination. Ravioli for pasta, nice. And this is like a Italian eatery. You know, my heart is a little bit of Italian because I work with most Italian in Dubai. Yeah, if I have a second nationality, I am Italian. This now starts my trip to Nelson Bay. According to Google Map, it will take around 3 hours. This is a bowling. This is a kind of bowling they have here in Australia. I'm seeing a lot of like this here. Stand forever, nothing gonna stop us now. I don't know if you can see, but there are a group of dolphins that are swimming in there right now. 1, 2, 3, 6 dolphins. Nice. Oh no. A lot. Standing comes forever, nothing can stop us now. Look at the formation of the clouds. This looks very good. Yeah, I hope there is no rain, because I'll be driving for 3 hours. One thing I've noticed about this bike is the seat. Yeah, it's a little hard for me. I'm not comfortable. I'm going to change it with the soft one that I have. Most of the places here in Australia, particularly here in New South Wales, there is a designated lane for the bikes in the road, and then there is a shared pathway for the walker and for the bikers, like this one. Yeah, I reached this far, and still there is a bike lane this way that is separate on the road, Yeah, this is the end of the bike lane. Yeah, we cannot film here because the bike lane is in the side of the road. I just checked the Google map and actually there is an alternative way. I don't need to go to that highway because there are so many cars, and I'm going to this side. There is something like a residential area. There are big dogs in there and they are barking me. I was a little scared. And on this side there are so many black cow. If I'm not mistaken, this is called alpaca. Hey alpaca. Beautiful. Oh, look at this. Hey, a rabbit hit by a car. There are so many horses in there. We are going to eat again. I reached already this place. McDonald's near to the airport. We're going to leave that there. And we are keep on biking. The Google map is showing me the same way of the bus going to Nelson Bay. Yeah, I'm seeing some alternatives way, but maybe, you know, I'm not sure. So yeah, we just go to the proper way. I crossed here because I thought there is a way, and then I asked the guy there. He said, oh, there's no way going there. That's going to the private property. Yeah, we are passing in the alternative way going to Nelson Bay. No cars are passing here. I haven't seen any. Both sides of this road is a swamp. Yeah, that's a continuous bike. This is painful now. Yeah, we'll be walking at the moment until everything feels better again. At the moment we are now here in the Anna Bay. Anna Bay is the place where you're going to see the Birobi Point. Birobi Point is the surfing area here in Anna Bay. Also you're going to see here the camel. Yeah, you can do the camel ride. This is the Port Stephen. If you go straight there, that's the Newcastle. That's where we came from. I bike from there all the way this way until I reach this place. We are now here in the Salamander Bay Sports Center. There is football or rugby going on in here. There are so many players. Okay, we are going now. And I am now home. I am now preparing these noodles. Basically just water, soy sauce, vegetable, and I have rice also cooking now. And I'm going to put this. This is wokna thin egg noodles. Yeah, I put it there when it's boiling. I will see you tomorrow.